Hey, it's Sean from mindpossible.com, and this is the second video about my new book, Mindsight. And I want to talk about something that comes with the book. That's access to the book's website, which contains a lot of resources that I've created for people who'll be using the book to train themselves to see without eyes. Now, currently, there are two authoritative texts on how to see without eyes. One of them is Jules Romaine's Eyeless Sight. You can still find this online on Amazon as an old book. And the second one was written by Lloyd Hopkins called Mindsight and Perception. Both of these are wonderful books. Now, one of them, the one by Lloyd Hopkins, talks about a training mechanism he developed called the color wheel. He would have his subjects or his students sit about 10 feet away from this wheel, and he would set it so that one particular color would shine on the student. And what we have today is the advantage of the internet, websites, and technology. And one of the resources on my website is a digital color wheel inspired by Lloyd Hopkins. So thank you, Lloyd. And there are many variations on this color wheel on the website where you would sit in front of the screen in a dark room. And this is based on the theory or on the hypothesis of dermo-optical perception, that your skin can actually perceive the colors that surround it with training. And you can interpret that as a color. So part of the training would be using my digital color wheel that's found on the website. And to get to the website, all the links are in the book. Along with the digital color wheel, there are downloadable meditation practices, and that's really important because people might say, why is it harder for adults than for children? Well, it has to do with how much time adults spend in the theta brainwave state of mind compared to children. Children can be in that state of mind while they're completely awake, while for adults, they have to enter a meditative state or be in a certain stage of sleep or something like that, where they really willfully enter that state while they're conscious. So meditation is important. There are also guided visualization practices to help you get better at perceiving color when your eyes are closed. So using your imagination, using your mind's eye. If right now you try and picture the color red, just close your eyes and try and see red. If that's difficult for you, if it's not clear, there are practices on the website that you'll download to help you enhance your mental ability to perceive colors in your imagination, which will be very handy as you develop yourself in your training. So there are a lot of other resources. There are a lot of handouts that I call cards, the shapes, the numbers, the letters, and things like that, that you would download and print out to use in your training. Now, for the first few months, you won't need them. You'll just go to the store and get the color cards, either paper or foam or whatever other materials I talk about in the book, and that'll be good for you for the first few months. The full list of required items are in the book, and none of them cost very much money. So that's the benefit to this book that I've written, is that there's a lot of information in the book. It refers to a lot of information by previous authors, and it connects you to the website that has great resources to help you with your training.